Now we just made some guacamole dip for both myself and my husband, and a lot for my children. So we had some avocado seeds left over. So I'll pop the link in the top corner here, so you can see our guacamole dip recipe, and it's really delicious. Spicy one for the adults, not so spicy for the kids. So I was left over with some seeds, and I'm going to show you how to prepare and grow some avocado trees from seed. So I've got 4 little containers here, because we've got 4 seeds, and now 4 seeds. And what I'll do is I'll just give them a good clean over with some paper towel to make sure that we've got everything off our seed. Let's clean this one too. There's a little bit left over, and this one. Now, you need to find the base of the avocado, which is quite easy to find, which is this. Now, all you need, I'll get some toothpicks, and 3 per plant, or 3 per seed. So, just like that. On an angle. So it's almost like it's pointing upwards, slightly upwards. And another one on this side, pointing slightly upwards. Just like that. So when you're popping it into the dish, that it's sitting and submerged into the dish with some water. Now we'll just pop some water in there. Covering the base of the root, or the base of the seed, and have it sitting in this water, changing it fairly frequently, so make sure there's no mold or bacteria that's growing in there, and you should get a result within about 8 weeks. I know that seems like a long time, but that's about how long it normally takes for the avocado seeds to split open, and then you'll start to see a little sprout coming out of the top of the avocado seed. Okay, now that we've done all the seeds, it's good to make sure that we keep the water clean on a daily basis to prevent any of that bacteria growth inside the dish. It also helps to have a good environment for the seed itself, and wait that 8 weeks for the seed to split, and hopefully a little bit sooner. If not, then it will take around that time. If the seed does not split, now this is a thing, if it does not split after 8 weeks, then you know that seed is no good. Some seeds will be okay, and some seeds won't be. So it's a trial and error which seed is going to grow and which one is not going to grow. Hopefully I will get a good result out of all of these. If not, that is fine. That's all part of the trial and error of doing these type of home growing experiments. So I hope you guys like this little avocado tree growing tip, just from the avocado seeds or avocados that you buy from the supermarket, and they're left over, and all you do is either throw them in the compost or throw them in the bin. Why not try and grow your own? You never know, you might be really lucky, you might have a good seed and it might actually work. And then you've got yourself a beautiful avocado tree in your own home. Give it a go, it's not going to hurt, may take a little bit of time. patience is a virtue, so you might be surprised what you get at the end of it. So why not give it a go? All right, thanks for watching and hope you like this little tip. Hope to see you guys all soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and check out our guacamole dip as well. Our link will be in the little tab above, and hope you enjoy it. All right, see you guys next time.